In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default calendar in Google Calendar. We all know how convenient it is to keep our schedules organized and up to date, and Google Calendar is one of the best tools out there for this purpose. Whether you're managing personal appointments, work meetings, or social events, setting the right calendar as your default can help ensure you never miss an important date. In this guide, I'll walk you through changing your default calendar step by step, making this process simple and easy to follow. To get started, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. You can do this by heading to the Google Calendar website and logging in with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar interface featuring any events or reminders you've previously added. Next, you need to either create a new event or select an existing one. For this purpose, let's look at how you can go about with an existing event, as the process is similar for new events. Once you've selected your event, look for the pencil icon. This is typically found near the event details, and it's your gateway to editing the event's information. Click on this icon to enter the event editing mode. In this mode, you'll have access to various options, but our focus today is on determining which calendar this event should be associated with. Now, move your attention to the calendar drop-down menu. You'll find it among the event's attributes, usually labeled simply as calendar. By clicking on this drop-down, a list of all the calendars linked to your Google account will appear. This is where you can see your different calendars, perhaps one for work, one for personal events, or even shared calendars with family or friends. Take a moment to look through your options and decide which calendar best suits the event you're dealing with. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and select the calendar you want this event to belong to. Click to select and you'll see it reflected in the calendar field. After ensuring everything else about the event is in order, you're ready to finalize this change. To complete the process, simply click on the Save button, which you'll find typically at the top or bottom of your event editing screen. By clicking Save, you confirm your changes and ensure that the event is now associated with your chosen calendar. And that's it! You've successfully changed the default calendar for your event in Google Calendar. Remember, organizing your calendar isn't just about knowing where you need to be and when, it's about streamlining your life and reducing potential stress. I hope this tutorial has made the task a little clearer and simpler for you. Thank you for watching, and may all your scheduling be smooth and efficient.